Avi, not now. Clearly, he's not fine. He's covered in saliva and shame.
Is anyone else concerned that if I do not take a shower soon, I may harden...
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities. Keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert sign. This concludes...
Harden into a giant paper-mache garden gnome? So just me?